Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from the United States to India instantly. To do this instantly, we're going to use the Wise platform since it allows us to do exactly what we want. The process is simple. First, as with everything, you need to sign up by entering your email, selecting that it's a personal account, and following all the steps required to open your account. Now, once we're here, this screen will appear. We obviously need to top up our account in order to send money. We do this directly from the convenient option that appears to allow us to add money. It might be located here, or it could potentially be that. Well, you already have money and simply want to send it through Wise. So what we're going to do is click this prominent button here, and then proceed to click on Add Money if you don't have any funds in your account just yet. We click here on Add Money, and once we've added the money, we'll click here where it says Send. Here we'll enter the exact amount we want to send, and we'll be able to see how much the person in India will receive. What we're going to do here is click on Continue. And now we'll choose the type of transfer by clicking here. And here, well, we're going to choose this transfer option called Fast Transfer. We're going to select this and it will allow us to make the transfer. Then it will ask us who the transfer is for. We're going to choose that it's for someone else and enter that person's details. And that's it. The transfer should arrive instantly. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.